My name is Ewan. I'm in year four and I'm going to Ysgol Bryneira. I'm playing the flute. I've been playing it for about 1 year now. I like playing the flute because when you're starting, it's a little hard, but then it's getting easier every time you're playing. Um, I did make a lot of friends while I was going to the band. Um, I really enjoyed going to the band, but of course it's lockdown now, so we can't go anymore. But I'm very excited to go back. Her name is Ellen. She's very funny, and I think we're really good friends because we had known each other for about a year now. I think it's a good idea because it's like learning a new language. There's a lot of people not playing an instrument, so I think I'm a little lucky because I, so that when I was starting, I wasn't sure if I really wanna, but now I really wanna play it. Well, I'm looking forward every week to go um to make the Zoom meeting with my tutor because I haven't seen anybody that I actually know in the week, so I think it's nice I can see someone.
Ta-ta!
Yeah, ta